This 2025 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 333 FKTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford, North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 38 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 10, external shower, slide-out, skylight, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, refrigerator, air conditioning, oven, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.